We will discuss the markets and our current situation in this episode. Today, we witnessed a robust recovery in all markets. Is this the verification that we've been seeking? Have we left the woods? Is this going to be a little front run, or is it time to send it all the way? Will Bitcoin return to that CME gap and give us a complete closure? Will the top of the CME be tapped? It's time to go now. We're going to dissect that. We'll examine the stock market as well as enormous quantities of Ethereum that are being swept away. Stay tuned as we go right into the XRP chart and its appearance. Without further ado, Bitcoin, $84,125. We have a lot to discuss, but we don't have much time. Right now, it's down roughly 0.5%. The price of Ethereum is $2,220. It has decreased by roughly 3%. Both USDT and USDC are returning to their dollar pegs. At 213, XRP is a medium lean. It has decreased by 2.8%. It is a lovely day for the financial markets and cryptocurrency. I need to take another look at Ethereum. It was going to load on Ethereum, I told you. Our goal is to turn 5K into 100K. During the live show, we discussed the strategy. It's quite easy. All she wrote was to buy ETH for X, rotate out, and find an alt that will 5X. BuyFi is a Bitcoin exchange without a VPN or KYC. In the US, it is permitted. They have all of the major cryptocurrencies you can imagine. A Forbes top 10 exchange from the previous year. This is a job that was advertised there. On Telegram, this group is completely free. Nothing exists here, and there is nothing to pay for. It's cost-free. There is no other way for me to state that it is free. Free is free. We advised you to invest in Bitcoin at 79,700. We advised you to establish 6 Bitcoin take-profit levels. This morning, that was posted. Today, all of those were hit. What you see is that. When you join the Telegram group, you will see this. You receive market research, swing and scalp signals, various announcements, and upcoming data. The most recent one was for Hamster Combat and was posted this morning at 6:30 a.m. Your entry was at 0.001888, and we advised you to go long on it. 0.001969 if we pull it up when we get to Hamster. All of our long positions and take profit levels were destroyed. All of the stuff is free, people. People wanted to know what I was doing, but you could do whatever you wanted with the information. In what way will I record it? You go now. Everything is available on Telegram. It is open to the public. Another message that the position has been closed is sent out. This is our take on Weave plus 48%. Not too terrible, isn't it? The entry was closed on the long, bada bing, bada boom, as you can see. That's how easy it is. Watchaguru released this, $825 billion. Today, the stock market had an increase of $825 billion. It's such a green day. The market had a ton of money, and everything was reporting green, so it was a great day to look at your 401k, 457, or any other kind of retirement plan you had. This is the future of cryptocurrency. Crypto will rise as stock markets do. When the stock market declines, cryptocurrency will also decline. It's that easy, and that's what we're keeping an eye on and paying attention to. Now, here's the thing. They've said that Bitcoin is dead 1,000 times, but guess what? Bitcoin continues to resurface bigger, stronger, and more powerful than before. Do you believe that Bitcoin is dead? Binance was founded in 2017. On hundreds of occasions, they pronounced Bitcoin dead. It's still alive. This is far from being dead. Dash Crypto released this. More than $30 million, or 12,070 Ethereum, was just purchased by a whale. Do you understand why I'm telling you that I plan to invest in Ethereum? Do you seriously believe that Ethereum is no longer viable? Does Ethereum seem to be dead to you? All of the major players and organizations, like BlackRock, Goldman, and JP Morgan, are investing in Ethereum. I believe that we are near, if not at, the bottom. Getting an entry on ETH for less than $2,000 would be amazing. Yes, I would. Getting an entry on ETH for less than $2,000 would be my dream. I'm not sure if it will make it there. Our attention will be focused on it. The XRP chart is shown here. Here's what we're examining. Our support levels are shown in green. That is what we are examining. As you can see, it was a lovely thing when XRP touched that support in the $1.70 range. As you can see, we are currently in the top band of support, and the resistance is located at about $2.82. People, is XRP no longer in the woods? So, has Bitcoin emerged from the shadows? That is the thing you will be examining. That is the thing you must focus on. Could this be a simple ploy to induce people to open long positions on Bitcoin by making it appear as though it would rise, just to send it plummeting back down into the $70,000 range so that the CME gap is completely closed? We'll find out in time. This $80,000 area on Bitcoin is essentially nothing at the moment. This area is somewhat uninhabited. Here we are in La La Land. Will we be able to say that the gap was touched until we recover over the $90,000 mark? We are now pushing it to the upside and front-running it. What will XRP do then? It will do just what Bitcoin is. Keep in mind that cryptocurrency season is not yet here. The Bitcoin craze is still going strong. The rise of Bitcoin is imminent. Ethereum and all the other alts will be left behind. Every single one of them will be smoked, and it will run. Additionally, the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies is expected to skyrocket. Everything is about to take off. Everything. Each one of these resources. However, first, Daddy. For these alternatives to be successful, Bitcoin must be operational. By early April of next year, you hope to see XRP reach $4 or $5. Bitcoin must surpass its record high of $108. There is a lot of support for XRP. Right now, we're in the first support upper region. Retesting that $1.63 to $1.75 range is still possible. It would be better for me if this thing kept rising and reached $2.82. However, that will all rely on whether Bitcoin can rise beyond $90,000. This was placed on a 4-hour bullish divergence by CryptoSunk. As you may know, I enjoy examining the 4-hour and bullish-looking charts. We examine a single day. He states that the daily RSI is attempting to enter oversold as the price recovers from the all-time high of $1.96 set in 2021. What historical significance has this had? After that, it is implied that XRP has performed a moonshot. Here, I break it down and explain it. Claims that XRP has been under a lot of selling pressure and may be cheap, which might cause a reversal or bounce if buyers intervene. We have soared in the past when this has occurred, according to history. People, it's that simple. However, are you aware of how this will proceed? What will cause it to burst out? Let me pull up the post about Bitcoin and all the other cryptocurrency news that people are sleeping on. However, HBAR, did anyone use Swift to get the HBAR news? Yes, the banking custodian, Swift. To conduct trials, they collaborated with HBAR and Hedera. Even though we're talking about $150 trillion a year, HBAR is still only worth 20 cents. Because it had a green day, it has subsequently moved higher. I believe that when people learned about this, they realized how undervalued HBAR was. At 21 cents, it's up over 7% today alone. This is still a fantastic opportunity. Sitting on HBAR is a fantastic purchase. We refer to this as 5 or 20 cents. It's not awful. Even at these levels, we can still extract at least a 5x out of HBAR, if not more. Only this bull market. Furthermore, Swift does not necessarily intend to use and partner with them simply because they are testing with it. These are merely assessments. To determine which blockchain will be most effective for them, Swift will test alternatives. The success of these tests has not been reported. This is merely a test site. The first step is this. Second, make it through the test. Clear every other check. Remind or demonstrate to Swift and his financial custodian that you have the greatest blockchain and the best technology. After that, you can start production. But pay attention.